Morning students. Today we discussed about topic tangent and normals uh, using derivatives to find the equation of tangent and normal. Tangents and normals. Tangents and normal. In previous class, we discussed about what is the slope of the line. Slope of the line is equal to using a line makes an angle with x-axis, some inclination in anti-clockwise direction. The slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta. A line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, suppose this is the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Linear equation. What is the slope? Minus of x quotient divided by sorry. Okay, y quotient minus a by b. This is the slope of the line. This is the slope of the line making an angle some theta in anti-clockwise direction. This is a line passing through 2 points y1 x1 y1 and x2 y2. Right. Okay. Suppose this is the curve. This is the curve. This is the tangent at point P, x naught, tangent at P, x naught, y naught. Okay, x naught, y naught. This is the normal. This is the normal. This is the tangent. Tangent at P. What is the slope of the tangent to the curve is dy by dx. dy by dx. In previous class we discussed about the for the curve. What is the slope? Is the dy by dx at the point x naught, y naught. Overall, this can be written as f dash x naught. F dash x naught at the point P. What is normal slope? Normal slope means nothing but minus 1 by dy by dx at x naught, y naught. Normal slope. This is normal slope. This is tangent slope. Tangent slope of the curve. That is dy by dx x naught, y naught. That is nothing but f dash x naught. Normal slope minus 1 by y means normal and tangent both are perpendicular to each other. Two lines are perpendicular. One of the line is equal to minus one of the line slope is equal to minus 1 by first line slope. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That concept. Okay. Right. If suppose the tangent, suppose this is the tangent dy by dx is parallel to x-axis, otherwise dy by dx tangent slope of the curve is equal to 0 when the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so what is x-axis slope? Generally x-axis slope is 0, so this tangent line is parallel to x-axis, then slope of this curve dy by dx is equal to 0. What is the tangent equation? Tangent equation is y minus y1. So okay, at x naught y naught, so y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx. That implies x minus x naught. dy by dx is the slope m. Y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx x minus x naught. This line is parallel to x axis. That implies what about slope? 0. X minus x naught, y minus y naught. Therefore, this line is equal to y minus y naught is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to y naught is the line equation, tangent line equation, when the line is parallel to x-axis or the slope of the tangent is equal to 0. If suppose this is the curve, the tangent line is parallel to y-axis or perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular to x-axis. What is slope? dy by dx. dy by dx. A line is parallel to y-axis and perpendicular to x-axis means undefined. That is nothing but this can be written as 1 by 0, not defined. So what is the equation of the tangent then? Y minus at p x naught y naught at p x naught y naught. Y minus y naught 1 by 0 x minus x naught. This implies x minus x naught is equal to 0. X is equal to x naught when the line parallel to y axis or perpendicular to x axis. Right. So already discussed about this is the secant okay at p. So this secant tends to p, q tends to p. This acts as a tangent. Then that's why equation of tangent is slope of that line, that implies tan psi is equal to dy by dx. I had explained in the previous class. So use this concept. Right. Exercise 6.3. First problem. Find the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent to the curve. To the curve y is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4. So this is the curve equation. Y is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x. This is the curve. Find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent. If you want how to this value curve means suppose for example x is equal to 0, what happened? This value is equal to 0. 0, right. Zero into 0, 0. Next one, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. 1, 3 minus 4. Put x is equal to 1. What is minus 1? Right. Put x is equal to 2. 16, 48 minus 8, 40. 2 is approximately like this. So like this curve. Okay. Right. Next, increase the x values. Increase the positive value. Right. This is the positive value. Put x is equal to 1. X is equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 4. 1. X is equal to 2. 48 minus 8. So 2 means approximately this value. Suppose this is 40 at here. Okay. Like this. Increase the x value. Maybe that. Suppose if you take minus 1. What is minus 1 value? Minus 1 means this is 3 minus into minus plus 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like this. Curve like this. For this, at any point, tangent at 4. At 4 means like this. What is the tangent. So like this curve. Okay. What you want? What you find? The slope of the tangent to the curve is we know dy by dx. So take given curve y is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x. Differentiate. You want slope? Differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 3 of x to the power of 4 derivative 4x cube. 4x cube minus 4x derivative 4. dy by dx is equal to, at x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, 3 fourths. 12 x plus 4 cube minus 4. 12 into 4 cube 64 minus 4. 12 into 64 multiply 8 and 12 4 6 8 6 768 768 minus 4, that implies 764. So they are asked find the slope of the tangent for this curve at x is equal to 4. How much value? At x is equal to 4, 764. Okay, so like this problem. Second question. The slope of the tangent to the curve okay, slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent to the curve. To the curve y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. When x is not equal to y means if you take x is equal to denominator 0, it is not defined. At x is equal to 10. At x is equal to 10. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. What is slope of the tangent means here? dy by dx. Given curve. What is the given curve? Y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. So you want to divide by dx slope. Differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. dy by u by v form. U by v rule. Derivative of the u by v rule. What is the u by v rule? V into dx du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. That formula. U by v. U by v, d by dx of u by v is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. This is the formula. Okay. Right. X minus 2 v into x minus 2 d by dx of x minus 1 minus x minus 1 d by dx of x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 whole square. Therefore, x minus 1 derivative, x derivative 1 derivative 0, that implies 1 minus x minus 1 here also same divided by x minus 2 whole square. Right. dy by dx is equal to x minus 2 minus x minus 2 minus plus 1 divided by x minus 2 whole square. Then dy by x cancel, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. dy by dx at x is equal to 10, at the point x is equal to 10, what minus 2, sorry, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 divided by x plus take 10, 10 minus 2 whole square minus 1 by 8 square minus 1 by 64. So this is the slope of the tangent to the curve at x is equal to 10. Okay, next problem. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x ordinate is 2. Do this homework, same model at x ordinate at x is equal to 2. That one. Fourth question, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 at the point whose x coordinate is 3. These are the same. So 3-4 problems. So do homework and next fifth problem. Find the slope of the normal. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, comma y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. So what is that curve is in terms of third variable theta. Suppose this is the one p of theta is the third variable. Let it be x is equal to a cos theta, a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. So in terms of theta, represent the curve point. Here we find out the slope of the normal. This is the tangent, this is the normal at that point. That is the slope of the normal. Okay. This is the third variable. Like parametric equation, to eliminate that values. Right. What is x is equal to a cos cube theta? A cos cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. That implies dx by d theta, a constant, d cos cube theta derivative. That implies d by d theta of cos cube theta. Therefore, a into exponent formula 3 into cos square theta and the derivative of cos theta function derivative a 3a cos square theta cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. So finally this value is equal to minus 3 a cos square theta into sin theta, cos square theta into sin theta. Right. Next one, y is equal to a sin cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. dy by d theta is equal to dy by d theta is equal to what is the value? A into sin cube theta. Okay, d by d theta of d by d theta of sin cube theta. A into what is this value? 3 into sin square theta d by d theta of sin theta. 3a, that is equal to 3a sin square theta, therefore cos theta. dy by d theta is equal to 3a sin square theta cos theta. Okay. So now dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. That is equal to, what is dy by d theta? 3a sin square theta cos theta divided by dx by d theta minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. 3 cancel, a cancel, sin theta one time will cancel, cos theta also one time cancel. So finally, what is slope of the tangent? Slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to, here minus is there, sin theta by cos theta minus tan theta. We want the slope of the normal. Slope of the normal at theta is equal to pi by 4. At theta is equal to pi by 4. So that is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. That implies minus 1 by tan pi by 4 minus 1 by tan pi by 4 value, tan 45 value 1. So what is slope of the normal at theta is equal to pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. Okay, asking question, find the slope of the normal to the curve x and y given parametric equation form, convert into dy by dx, that is nothing but dy by d theta by dx by d theta. This is slope of the tangent. Slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4, that is plus minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1. So this is the fifth. Next question, same sixth question. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta, comma y is equal to b cos square theta at theta is equal to pi by 2. We do this problem homework. Next, find seventh question. Find points at the tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis. Right. Seventh question. Find points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to is parallel to the x-axis. Is parallel to the x-axis. Right. Find the points at the tangent at which the tangent to the curve. Suppose this is the curve like this. Not all curves are like a parabola, but just for example, this is the curve. Find the point. Find this point at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to like this one. This is like this one. This is the curve. For example, this is the curve parallel to x-axis. I will explain. A line parallel to x-axis. Is both slopes are equal. Two lines are parallel. Its slopes are equal. What is the x-axis slope? X-axis slope is equal to 0. Therefore, this tangent slope. What is tangent slope? dy by dx. X-axis slope 0. So apply this condition. Find the points at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis. To the curve, the tangent to what is the tangent? dy by dx. The slope of the tangent is dy by dx is equal to 0. You can understand? Slope of this tangent is parallel. This tangent is parallel to this x-axis. That is nothing but slope of the tangent is dy by dx is equal to slope of the x-axis 0. Apply this condition. Right. Given curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. We will find slope of the tangent. Means differentiate this one. That implies dy by dx, slope of the tangent to the curve. dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 2x, 6x minus 9, 7 derivative 0. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Given, what is given? Given the tangent. Tangent is parallel to the curve is parallel to x-axis. Is parallel to x-axis means this slope dy by dx is equal to x-axis slope 0. So that implies dy by dx is equal to 0. Equate this value 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Find factors. Middle term factorization. What is the constant value? Minus 9. This x square quotient 3. 9 3 is minus 27. Middle term factorization. 6 we want to minus 6. But the product is equal to minus 20. Same. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. So minus 9 into 3 minus 27. Therefore, 3x square minus 9x plus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. 3x common. X minus 3 plus 3 common. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is the common term for the both two terms. Therefore, that is equal to 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Either x minus 3 or 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. From this, x is equal to 3. From this, x is equal to minus 3 by 3. X is equal to minus 1. They ask point. Point means x coordinate and y coordinate. Substitute these values in the given curve y. If x is equal to minus 1, what about y? Y is equal to minus 1 whole cube. So write first 3x cube, x cube 1, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Therefore, minus 1 whole cube minus 3 minus 1 whole square minus 9 minus 1 plus 7. That implies minus 1 whole square plus into minus minus 3 plus 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 minus 4, 12. Therefore 1 point minus 1 comma 12. Second point, if x is equal to 3, what about y? Y is equal to 3 whole cube minus 3 of 3 square minus 9 of 3 plus 7, 27 minus 9 3 is 27. That implies 27, 9 3 is 27 plus 7, 27 is 27 cancel, minus 27 plus 7 minus 20. Therefore, next point, second point, three comma minus 20. One point is minus 1 comma 2. Second point is 3 comma minus 20. Okay. Find the points at which the tangent to the curve means first of all take curve equation. We want the slope of the tangent means dy by dx 3x square minus 6x minus 9. So given tangent is parallel to x-axis means slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the x-axis. Slope of the x-axis is equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 0. We got dy by dx value 3x square minus 6x minus 9. That is equal to 0. 3x square minus 9x plus 3x minus 1. These are the factors of that one. So finally we got the factors x minus 3 and 3x plus 3. That is equal to x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. We want points at that point at tangent. So that implies x is equal to minus 1. Substitute in the given curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. So that implies minus 1 whole cube, 3 of minus 1 square, minus 9 minus of 1 plus 7 minus 1 whole square plus into minus 3 plus 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 minus 4, 12. One point is minus 1 comma 12. And for if x is equal to 3, we get answer minus 20. This is the second one. These are the points. At that points, the tangents are positive to the curve. Next question, 8th question. Find a point on the curve. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord. Parallel to the chord joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. Okay, suppose this is the curve, let it be, this is the curve, y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Find a point on the curve at which the tangent, suppose this is the tangent at this point, this is the tangent, this is the curve y, means y is equal to f of x, nothing but this one, x minus 2 whole square. This is the tangent. Okay. Tangent is parallel to the chord. So this is the chord. This is the chord. Means this is equal to 2 comma 0, 1 point, point A. This is point B. B point 4 comma 4. Sorry. Given condition, what is the given condition? Given condition. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent, at which this point you find, at which the tangent, this tangent is parallel to this chord, The chord is joined by 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. So let it be, this is the chord, this is the tangent at the point P and parallel to the given chord. So any condition, this also looks like a line and this is a line. 2 lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. 2 lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. What is this tangent slope? This tangent slope is equal to dy by dx. This tangent slope is equal to dy by dx parallel to this chord. What this chord passing through 2 points, chord AB, slope of chord. Chord AB. What is slope of chord AB? It passes through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. That implies y2 minus y1 by x2 minus. This is the concept. Using this condition, we find the point of P. Given curve. What is given curve? Y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Given curve, y is equal, right, x minus 2 whole square. Slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x minus 2 whole square. So that implies dy by dx is equal to x power n comma n into x power n minus 1 into d by dx of x minus 2. 2 times of x minus 2, x derivative 1 and constant derivative 0, 1 minus 0, 1. That implies finally this value is equal to 2x minus, okay, like this one will take no problem, 2 of x minus 2 divided by dx. Right. Slope of chord AB, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that implies y2 means 4, y1 means 0, x2 means 4, x1 means 2. That is equal to 4 by 2. Answer is equal to 2. Slope of the chord is how much? 2. Slope of the chord is equal to 2. By the given condition, given statement or condition. What is given statement? Tangent is parallel to the chord. That implies dy by dx is equal to slope of the chord 2. Therefore, what is dy by dx? 2 times of x minus 2 is equal to 2. X minus 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So therefore x minus 2 is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 3. They ask point. Substitute in this one. Therefore y is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square. Therefore 1 square 1. Therefore the point is 3 comma 1. Point is 3 comma 1. So this is like this. We will find by the given condition. First of all, find the point on the curve. Y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. At which the tangent, this tangent is parallel to the chord joining the 2 points. So the tangent is parallel to this one, means so slope of this tangent is equal to slope of this chord. Apply the condition. Find out x value. Afterwards, x value substitute in the curve. Y is equal to, then we will get y value. Find the point is at that point 3 comma 1. It is the tangent to the curve. Next question. Ninth question. Find the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Okay. Y is equal to given curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Given curve is y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Right. What is given condition? At which the tangent is, for this curve the tangent is already given. So that's why what is this line slope? This line slope is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. M is 1. M means slope. Slope is equal to 1. So this is the tangent to the curve. Already this is the tangent to the curve. From this curve, find the slope. What is slope? I have to find slope of the tangent dy by dx. So this line slope, this is the dy by dx, and this is both are same, equate. That is the meaning. So find the point on the curve. So at which the tangent is. So dy by dx is and this slope both are same. You equate both one and you get answer. The point dy by dx, slope of tangent, dy by dx, 3x square minus 11 plus 5, minus 11 plus 5. Okay. Given line, given tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Either x quotient by minus of x quotient by y quotient over r y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So what is slope? Slope is equal to slope m is equal to y is equal to mx. Mx means this is x quotient is 1. X quotient is 1. Therefore m is equal to 1. Both are same. That implies dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 1. What is dy by dx? 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. 3x square is equal to 1 plus 11. 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. Suppose if x is equal to 2, what is y value? Curve, substitute in the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. That implies 2 whole cube minus 11 of 2 plus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 8 minus 22 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 13 minus 22. What is 13 minus 22? When that is 9. Y is equal to, therefore one point is the point minus 9. Sorry, this is minus 9. So therefore the point is 2 comma minus 9. Right. Second point. If x is equal to minus 2, what is y value? Y is equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 11 of minus 2 plus 5. Therefore, minus 2 whole cube means minus 8, minus into minus plus 11 2's 22 plus 5. Okay, 22 plus 5 that implies 27 minus 8. Therefore, this value is 19. The point is minus 2 comma 19. Check, verify. Suppose verify 2 comma minus 9. Substitute in the equation, tangent equation, or otherwise tangent. Tangent equation at 2 comma minus 9. A tangent equation to the curve at 2 comma minus 9. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx of x minus x1. Y minus y1 is minus 9 is equal to dy by dx. That value, how much? 1. 1 of x minus 2. Therefore, y plus 9 is equal to x minus 2. Y is equal to x minus minus 2 minus 9. Y is equal to x minus, y is equal to x minus 9. Got this. So this point lies on the curve. The tangent is at that point 2 comma minus 9. But this is not satisfied. Suppose substitute in this one, y is equal to minus 9, 2 minus 9, 2 comma minus 11. That value minus 9. Suppose you substitute in that one, 19 is equal to minus 2 minus 11. 19 is not equal to minus 13. So the point does not lies on this line. Therefore, so only this point is the lies on the curve. That tangent at this point to the curve. Okay, it's like this. Okay, students, this is the concept of the tangent normal problems, 6.3 exercise, and we will continue next class. Thank you.